Cute 2 halves colony villa. No bond. New roof July 2020. Low maintenance. Everything you see here stays and ready for you to move right in or perfect for an investment property. This cute villa has a front screened front patio and a side patio perfect for your grill. Rustic Flare. Freshly painted throughout, new lighting. The kitchen has a large skylight for lots of natural light and plenty of room to put a second table if you fancy. Natural gas stove, new luxury vinyl plank flooring, new faucet, and pantry. Both the master bedroom and second bedrooms have newer carpeting and have been tastefully decorated. Both bathrooms have new faucets and vinyl plank flooring. Schedule your appointment today. Located in the Convenient Villages of Alhambra.